try to... The nest was good for...
Hey guys, I am Nick and welcome to Educate TV, a channel that is all about do-it-yourself electronics projects with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP8266 and other popular boards. In this video we are going to build an Arduino powered game. It is the classic Pong game. I am now playing against the computer controlling the green paddle. Each time a player scores, the score is displayed on the screen. The first player to reach 8 points wins. It is a fun project to build, and as you are going to find out, it won't
attached to our door, kind of, and the power is on, and our door is locked. If somebody comes by and gives a regular knock, nothing happens. But if they come by and give the secret knock,
I'm Joe from makeuseof.com. Today I want to show you this project. It's a simple buzzwire game. The player has to pass the loop around the course without letting the two touch. Visit the link in the description below for the full tutorial, where I show you how to make this from scratch. I cover bending the wire, building the case, making the handle and wiring it all together to the Arduino and 7 segments.